what's up and welcome back and happy Raksha Bandhan. Welcome back. This is a Raksha Bandhan vlog. I am prepping for dinner right now. I didn't know, and Aiden is helping me cook. I am making like a Bengali dish, chicken kosha and basunti pulao. You guys must have seen this in one of the vlogs, but it's a very simple recipe that I'm doing, and then we're doing like a potluck. So I'm making this and taking it at my brother's place. He's gonna make something, and then one more family is coming and they're gonna make something and bring it. So that's what we are doing. Yeah, and don't smell it, your eyes are gonna burn. See, I told you. See, your eyes are burning, right? See, he just smelled the onion puree, now his eyes are burning. I told you, don't smell it. He did not take a nap today. He said, I don't want to take a nap. So here he is helping me. Better? Aww, you got tears in your eye. Let me wipe it. No. For basunti pulao and kosha chicken, the main thing is basically marinating. Hold on, baby. I'm gonna give it to you. Marinating the stuff. So I have already marinated the chicken. I'm gonna show you, and you also have to marinate the rice. So I am using kali chira rice, but I think you can use whatever rice you want. So in this rice I have raisins, turmeric, salt, sugar, and that's it, and ghee, a little bit of ghee. So I'm just gonna let it sit now, and when I cook I'm gonna add a few more ingredients that I will show you. And ingredients, yes, ingredients. And for chicken, let me show you. I didn't touch the knife, and you're not supposed to touch it. Okay? The chicken, it's a mix of leg piece and breast. And then for the marination, I have sliced onion, ginger garlic, salt, turmeric, chicken curry masala, garam masala, paprika, but not paprika, Kashmiri lal mirch, because I didn't want to make it spicy. And you can also add slit green chilies to this, but I'm not adding it because Aiden is gonna eat it, Ashley's gonna eat it, so I did not want to make it spicy. And yogurt at the end. So I'm just gonna let it marinate 1 second, and then I have this onion puree here that I'm gonna start cooking, and then add the chicken to it. So I hate to cook in a dirty gas. I can never cook in a dirty gas. So I made some breakfast, I made some lunch, and then it was a little bit dirty. So I'm just gonna wipe it off and then start cooking dinner, because it just annoys me a lot to cook in a dirty gas. I know, even though it might get a little dirty after cooking dinner, but that doesn't bother me as much as cooking in a dirty stove bothers me. 1 second, I'm coming.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
For the basunti pulao, I did some ghee, some cashew, some whole, what is it called, babe? Whole
cashew is the word.
Whole
Cardamom.
Whole cardamom and whole, what is it called? Whole dry masala. No, whole dry masala.
Garam masala.
Whole garam masala, basically. Completely lost the word in my mouth. But anyways, this is what I have added here, and then I'm just gonna saute it a little bit until the cashews have a little color to it, and then I'm gonna add the rice mixture and let it pressure cook like a normal rice. That's it. This is how it is supposed to look. I added rice and then water, and I might add a little bit more water to it, a little bit. We are also, not we actually, Mayang is also doing a DIY in Aiden's room. So basically just his bed. According to the new house, we wanted to change up his bed a little bit, but his bed was so nice that we didn't want to throw this and get a new one. So we are doing a DIY with the old one. You guys remember Aiden's bed, and this is how it looks now. He cut it up. He cut up the house thingy, and now he's gonna painted and all that stuff. We got a nice color. We'll show you once it's painted, and that's what he's gonna do now. And then look at the chicken curry. That's also absolutely looking delicious. I am just making a coffee for myself because I need to pick me up. I don't know, I feel so exhausted. Aiden is eating an apple and watching Miss Rachel for now, TV. And some black coffee will just do right to me. Dinner's all ready. Everything's prepped for the evening, so that's that. And then for tomorrow, for breakfast, I am doing chia seed pudding. Coming, baby. So that's what I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna soak it tonight in the fridge.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi.
Same conversation again.
Nah.
Now can you stand up real quick?
Come here.
So we can see your whole outfit. You go.
Who are you wearing, Alani?
Sabyasachi?
Yeah.
Oh, Manish Malhotra.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highway.
This is yours.
Yeah. Alright. Give me a hand.
Wow.
Right hand.
Wow, Nani. Yes.
So Alani's picture is not coming. So
Yay, that's Peppa Pig.
Here, Tika. For Yanni. I don't know if she knows.
Just take one.
She can do it. Just take any finger with you.
Yeah.
Raj, come here, bring your head.
Go.
Bring it closer, come bend down. Bend down.
She can't.
Wow. Good job.
Give it to Alani.
give it to Alani.
Alani, see what that?
Grab it, Alani, grab it. Grab it.
No.
Thank you.
Now Aiden is gonna get Tika.
See.
And you forgot the donut. Hang on.
Oh yeah.
It's okay.
I don't
Let
know.
Aiden's
Get
get that.
complete one
तो
first.
उसको लगेगा कि कुछ मिलेगा. Wow. America's the best.
Alright, next.
This is what you were missing, right?
Gonna put.
Full box of donuts.
Pack of 6. Bring your head closer.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry, I don't like that.
Just like that.
Doesn't come here.
And now Aiden is gonna get a bracelet.
Look, bracelet.
Here.
Are you gonna-
Elephant bracelet.
Elephant bracelet from Alani.
Wow. Alani got you an elephant
Is that an
bracelet.
elephant?
Wow. It's like
Put
a.
your hand like this, so she can tie it here.
In George it does. Is that
सुबह
George
इसको
or
डोरेमोन
Peppa?
हमने बांधा था.
Here, give this to Alani.
Now give this to Alani.
Here you go.
Careful.
Baby, careful.
Yeah.
You know what we have? We got blueberries. Wild blueberries.
Wow, Aiden got berries.
That's it.
Wow.
Wow.
Very specific. He only likes wild frozen blueberries. Wow. So we had.
It's awesome with the.
What? Nothing. No, say what you were saying. No, please say it. I'm gonna listen to it again. So we have a lot of puri, basmati pulao, and paneer, and potato is
Everything
almost
is empty.
gone. Chicken. I forgot to do the vlog, but then now they are eating, and it's all gone. Everything was super delicious. Let me see. Here's a potato. Yeah. We are back home and Aiden is already sleeping. I'm making chamomile tea for myself and then we're just gonna chill a little bit and then go to sleep. So this is like the list that we want Kusharg to eat before he goes back to, like he has 4 more days before he goes back to Michigan. So we have covered pretty much a lot of stuff, and then these are the stuff that I'm gonna make for him and give it to him, like to carry it. But he has like some dhokla and chole bhature and one restaurant here to try. So yeah, and South Indian night. So pretty much most of the things are covered. So yeah, that was our Raksha Bandhan vlog. We had fun. We had my brother's neighbors also come over because they're also really good friends with all of us. So it was fun. We all enjoyed our dinner. Food was delicious, and that's it. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. Until then,